Are you tired of using multiple software systems that don't talk to each other? Are you looking for a property management solution that's powerful enough to handle your entire portfolio and customizable enough to fit your specific needs? It's time to discover Rent Manager. So, Rent Manager is a powerful property management software that combines all features you need to run your business into a single integrated solution. Say goodbye to data silos and hello to streamlined efficiency. So, imagine having all the tools you need to manage your properties, from tenant screening and accounting to maintenance requests and marketing, all in one place. And with Rent Manager's exceptional customizability, you can tailor the software to fit the unique needs of your business, no matter the size of your portfolio. In this video, I'll help you explore how Rent Manager can transform your property management operations and highlight its key features, discuss its exceptional customizability, and explain why it's the ideal solution for properties of every size. So if you're interested, you can head over to their website, which is rentmanager.com, and you should be able to see in here this. So in here, you will have in here the actual control of your portfolio for your property that you actually manage. So they have a lot of pros right here. As you can see, you can use Rent Manager because they have a complete accounting system. So they have a lot of accounting features to actually build that claim. So for their accounting, you can feel confident in your finance management with this particular software. It can enhance and streamline all your high-level accounting processes, so you don't need to actually hire an accountant anymore. So you can actually see that they use a double entry accounting system. So we have in here the accounts receivable for an A&R automation, charge types, bank deposit. You can also receive payments, and we also have accounts payable for your automations, for the payment of bills, for the vendor information, for the checkings, as well as credit card for the bills. And we also have payments for the rent. We have ePay, cash pay, check scanning and lockbox, as well as checks itself, and they have no cost Avid Pay, so you can pay your vendors exactly how they want to be paid at no additional cost. So this one is really beneficial, especially if you have a lot of vendors that you actually pay, and those vendors ask for a lot of money for bills. So, what's great is that Rent Manager has electronic reconciliations wherein you can sync your bank with your Rent Manager. So, your bank sync allows you to securely connect your accounts to Rent Manager Express. And once it's synchronized, your real world bank and credit card transaction will appear in the software for simple reconciliation. Doing that way, you should be able to see everything that goes in and goes out of that particular bank account. So your bank may be listed as compatible institution. Not all account types are supported. So for example, if you have a Chase Bank, you can click onto the search bar right here and see if Rent Manager actually Chase. As you can see, they support Chase right here, and you can find or bank sync it to Rent Manager apps. So they also have top-notch financial reporting that shows you your profit and loss for each unit and for every unit that you actually. So they have accounting staples like balance sheets, ledgers, profit and loss, and it can be generated in just seconds with your use. So they also have tax tools that can actually show right here, and you can also see it and use it on tax season and even on off tax season, so you don't need to have a stress fueled weeks. Aside from that, Rent Manager also have marketing and leasing, so you can fill your vacancies faster on your property. They will actually create strategic and automated online marketing tools and upload photos of your properties and units to the Rent Manager database, and this will push your listings to your company website and industry leading ILS sites. So in here, you can see your prospect and tenant, and you can see in here if there's some online applications for the lease that you have actually posted. You can also see in here that they have some signable documents that they will provide you. So in here, those signable documents allows you to place signature fields on any document, and then prospect and tenant can review and sign the documents electronically through their online portals, so it's actually safe and secure. They also have online leasing and renewals that can actually help you go digital with your leasing and renewal process. So you can remove the stress of unnecessary paperwork from lease renewal season with this efficient digital resource. So you don't need to have a lot of headache anymore because it will actually do the work for you. So they also have resident screening, which is highly beneficial since if your resident is actually quite shady and they have some credit issues, it will be a big headache for you. So that's why Rent Manager partners with AM Rent in order to screen your residents so you can avoid late payments and accumulated debt as well as criminal and eviction history with their integrated screening capability. So they also have an app for your residents. So you can see in here the count as well as the address for that, and they can actually pay the balance through that particular app themselves. So they can build the balance even if they're outside, they're inside, and you don't need to go over to their door anymore to actually collect the rent. So the next important thing to your real estate journey is to make your customers or tenants happy. That's why Rent Manager also offers maintenance that actually provides a quick response time which equals to happier tenants. So you can manage your maintenance issues efficiently and track their progress from creation to completion. So in here, if you have some service issue, you can see in here the status of that, if they're actually a work in progress, resolve, and etc. So you can complete issues in the service and the field. You can assign those service issues to your maintenance staff, and you can also memorize service issues to avoid redundant data entry to memorize service issue. So doing this way, it will actually streamline all of the things that you're actually having a problem with maintenance, and it will solve the issue faster than ever, even if you actually do not go to the field themselves. We have in here a maintenance scheduling that offers a simplified approach to maintenance coordinators to establish workflows. So in that way, the residents can use the Rent Manager's tenant web portal to select time slot to schedule those service requests so they can schedule it when they're home or when's the best available time for them. So they also have some issue checklists so you can see if those service issues are actually accomplished before the final completion. So you can create a checklist for each step of the process, and when a step is finished, you can mark it as completed. So as you can see, your Red Manager offers you a lot of things from accounting, reporting, marketing and leasing, business operation, maintenance, and software customization. Rent Manager gives you a lot of benefits that no other rent manager property can't actually give you. So if you're interested, you can head over to their website, which is rentmanager.com. Click onto this pricing or this free demo, and you can actually ask them for a free trial first or a demo first before actually subscribing to their account. So you can head over and see that for the basic they have $1 per unit, for the plus they have $1.75 per unit, and this is per month in here. So the implementation package is 2 times monthly fee for 200 monthly minimum, and for the plus they have 50 monthly minimum. So you can see how Rent Manager can help you transform your business. So just head over and then subscribe to them. And speaking of subscription, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. You can also subscribe to our channel for more insights on property management and technology. I have a question. What are your biggest challenges with managing your properties efficiently? Share your thoughts in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.